Hey guys, very quick video about BitPanda and how you can buy Bitcoins or any other altcoin with it. So this is the BitPanda website. Very simple process, just click on buy here, and on the next page here what you're going to be able to see is whatever cryptocurrency you want to buy. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash and Litecoin. And let's say for example I want to buy Bitcoin. You just choose the payment method. So here for example I chose the credit card payment method, and this tells you the base price per Bitcoin, how much you want to spend and how much you're going to receive. You can see that if I change any of the payment methods, then the receive price will change accordingly. So this for example is the same as a credit card. Here I'm going to get a bit more with the Giro Pay and SEPA a bit less, and so on. And once you click the next step, you're either going to have to confirm your identity if you haven't done so yet, and if you did, then you're just going to be able to finish the process. The only thing that might be a bit of an issue with BitPanda is that going back to the payment screen, you don't see the actual fees. They're incorporated inside what you're going to get. So from these 500 euros, I don't know how much is going to actually being spent on buying the Bitcoins and how much is going to BitPanda. But other than that, very easy process. The exchange has relatively low fees for all of these transaction methods, and it's very easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the